Let me show you how easy it is to add a new item to inventory. Just like before when we added a new customer to your database, you want to go up here to add new, and instead of clicking customer, you want to click on item. This one is not enabled right now. The reason for that is the Diamond Counter software doesn't know who sits in front of it and if you have authority to do so. So you need to log yourself onto the system by user log on. You enter your username and your password. If you have just installed the software, your default username will be user, your password is password, then you click OK. And now again you can go to add new item. Now we are at the item details screen, and we see again our three different colors: green, white and yellow. Green, you have to enter something; white is optional; yellow the computer will do. So if you want to keep it just simple, we need an item number. You can either define your own item number in here, or you can let the computer assign one automatically, or you can do a mixture out of that. So let's say your engagement rings here, let's start with ENG, and you let it follow by the next available number. Just click this little symbol here and it puts the next available number in here. Then we want to go to article category, select the category out here. You can also make up your own categories or just select it out of the predefined box. We want to put a cost in here, a markup, and it will automatically calculate the retail price. If you don't like it, just go in here, highlight it, and put your own retail price in here. Now that's pretty much the minimum information we need on an item, and on top probably you want to put in a description that goes in here, in this field. And that's pretty much all we need. But as the item becomes more expensive, or you want to remember more on the item, you can use all these tabs up here. So the second tab, basic details, you can choose what metal it is, the weight, the carat, the size with length, and keep in mind all these fields are white, so you don't have to enter them. Next tab would be basic diamond details. You could put in here an 85 pointer with an E color, clarity. Now you can also put this information in the description. The only advantage is if you have it in here, we can make a search. We can actually find out, if you look for a stone, where, in which piece do we find this stone or something similar. We can put in up to 3 pictures per item. The first picture will be your default, it will be printed on the receipt. Next tab will be the supplier information. What supplier do you get it from? What is the supplier SKU number, invoice number? Then we can print out our dumbbell tag. The left side or the one side of the dumbbell tag you don't have to be concerned about. It will put on automatically your barcode, the item number and the retail price right underneath it. And the other side of the label you will have 4 lines of text where you can enter whatever you want. If you do a lot of custom design, you can also use a part and label list, and you can take down up to 10 positions of what you put into this ring in order to make it up. Basically like a cost sheet, and it will calculate the total cost and we'll put it then instead of the item self cost in here on the parts and label. Once you're done with that, you click simply up here, add this item, and now the computer adds it to your database. So we have here the item ENG002, and just to confirm that, we go to item quick pick and punch in ENG, and there's our item.